Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I know it's a little different than what I normally do, but I'm working on this Powr-Flite Black Max extractor. And I know it's a little different because it's an electric machine, but I figured if this video can help someone out, it'd be great. So if your machine all of a sudden is not sucking anymore, but you still hear the pump running, which is down here, this little pump guy right here, it's because this guy, this one has two mounts, one like this. They're custom made, as you can see. It's just a stud welded onto a little piece of square bar. And that's a mount. Well, the other one broke. Now, however, though, you can't find these because these are custom made in the factory and then sent out. Made like never to break, but eventually one day they will break. So, the good news is, you could just go to the Home Depot, buy you a 1/4 inch by 6 inch. It's a little longer than normal, but that's not going to be a problem. And there's no need to weld anything on it. As long as it fits in the ear of the pump, that's going to be fine. But I do have to drill a little hole bigger. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just put my drill right there. There's nothing under there, so I'm not stressing it. And I think my drill just died, but that's fine. There we go. But now we did it enough where it goes. Okay guys, so now as you see here, I've already got this dismounted here. And what I want to do now is I'm going to put the other one, I'm going to take off this nut here. And like I said, it doesn't matter what threads you get because this ain't threading into nothing except the bolt. So you just buy a nut that threads onto it. So this one's going to go in. It's going to go down and you're just going to lock it into place like that. Just push it in. So I'm going to push the other one in now. The perfect spot. Now same place, Home Depot. I just made sure I bought the 1/4 inch, you know, the correct threads. These ones are the never loosening ones, which is good. So now, obviously this bolt's a little bigger because I think this is like a 3/8 or 5/8, something like that. So this part goes on fine. But because this bolt's thicker, we're really not going to need that extra spacer there. On right here, we're going to put this locking washer on. And that's going to go all the way up till this is snug in place. So along with that, along with our new one too, the reason I got a 2-pack is because we're going to do the same thing. And now I'm going to tighten both those down and then we're going to reconnect everything. Okay, for the new stud we bought, the bolt is an 11. Use a deep well and go slow. I believe this one's a 10. No, yeah, it's a 10. Go slow. Now we just got to tighten that 11 one up and then we're good to go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that I got it mounted, I can finally connect everything and put it all back together. So we're going to start with the water line. That's just a quick connect down here. Just like that, and that's quick connected. We're gonna put back on this vacuum suction line. Just jam these cords back in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. They removed the original base plate and now it's just this thing. That's fine. It's not that big of a deal. At least I found what I was looking for. Copper pipes, they're very flexible, so those bent out a little bit, but nothing we gotta shake a stick at, you know what I mean? And there's one. Two. Oh. You know what? Since this third one is actually broken, pull that one off. And put it in there. There we go. Bottom's back together. Oh, just made everything almost go flying. I'm gonna pull everything else aside for a second. We're gonna stand this thing back up. I forgot I gotta put back on this pump. So let me get you up there. Look at this, look at this. It looks like a mess. It's because it is. And hopefully not lose that screw. That's going to go inside this washer. And that's going to go up here like that. And that way it stops it from opening all the way up. Okay, well, there's one bolt for the motor, and we'll do the second one, and then we'll make sure that this thing is sucking. I forgot to mention right here on the side, we got the motor on now. Right here on the side, there's another bolt hole, because this thing ain't supposed to really open. No, they really don't want you opening this. Sucking now, so that's good. That's good. That's all that matters. Well, we're finally done with it. So, thank you guys for watching. I know it's a little bit different. It was sucking from up here and then in there too, because there's two vacuums. One right here. One right here. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see ya.